Lila had always looked to others for validation, seeking love, approval, and happiness outside of herself. But one evening, with her tarot deck in hand, she decided to ask a different question.
The Empress, nurturing self-love, abundance. But how do I give that to myself?
Looking back, she realized she had spent so much time pouring love into others, but had forgotten to nurture herself. Lila began journaling regularly, and soon she realized, self-love isn't something I have to wait for, it's something I create. Lila chose the Empress and the Nine of Pentacles tarot cards to be a daily reminder of her goals for self-love. The cards didn't tell her what she lacked. They reminded her of what she already had within. Tarot is more than a tool for answers. It's a mirror to your soul. Start your self-love journey today.